This is a Jetts GPS Fleet Tracker client tutorial, just going through some new features that you may have noticed come onto your account in the last few days. So first of all, on the left hand side, just that's the symbol and the name have changed to the live map. You click on that and it brings up your fleet. If you click on one of your vehicles, then whereas this section used to disappear, it now stays there and it pulls it all through on the right hand side. So you've got your fleet, your map, and the same information that you had previously down here. Now you've got in the details, that's where your trips now sit. So you can click on that and it'll take you where it used to take you previously. Your alerts are in here, your your events, any videos, and any tasks. A nice feature as well that we've added in for you, you've got a little button here, and if you wanted to share a vehicle, say you've got a customer who wants to know what time that you're going to arrive with them, then you can select the vehicle, click on that little button there. You can put a time limit on how long they have access to that for. Put where they're going. Sorry, that would be one of your zones, but you don't actually need to do that. You can just click OK. And then that brings up a link which you can copy and send to whoever you want to have access to that vehicle for that period of time. It's just for you only. They can just basically see where it is on a map. So it saves them ringing you every 5 minutes saying, where is it? And I think that's about it for this video. And of course, that's not it for this video. There is just one other thing that I need to show you. You can edit the vehicle name now from here. You don't have to go into the admin section and mess around in there. So say, for example, we needed to change that one. Well, let's just do that one. You click on the vehicle, and then in details, you just hover over it. It brings up a little edit button. And you can change that to whatever you want. And you can change the colour of it there as well. And that really is it.